Okay, here's how we give feedback on Upwork. So you want to scroll down until you see the list of all of your contracts, and we have to click on the three dots right here. And we have to first end the contract before we are able to give feedback. So click on end contract. Here it will ask you for some more information. How likely are you to recommend to a friend or a colleague? I'm gonna give them the maximum. Could you tell us the primary reason for entering the contract? So here you have to select your reason. So the project was completed successfully, their English proficiency, as well as here you're able to rate all of their skills. So I was very satisfied with this person, so I'm just gonna give them a full 5 stars. We'll post your feedback on this person's profile when they've left their feedback for you, or after the 14-day period closes. So it waits for 14 days if they have to submit, or if they submit before they submit their feedback for you. And if 14 days expire, then it will just become available for them and to tell us that we have not received any feedback from them. But for this, I'm going to say superb freelancer, very satisfied. There's something very simple here. Bonus, if we would like to give them a bonus, I'm gonna select none, and we end the contract, and this will also leave feedback for the person. So hope this video was helpful. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.